Welcome to English B2, Task 4, Speaking Assignment. My name is Edna Rocio Perdomo Aldana. I am in the group 119. I am doing right now a bachelor degree in childhood pedagogy and education. Today I am going to speak about the effect of technology on the environment. Um, but in the topic I choose to do is the increase in food production and variety of crops. But here I'm going to explain one of the positive effects that technology, the technology on the environment have. So one of the positive effect is the productive dry land with good yields. Productive lowland flooded during part of the year with good yields. And the third one, we have the irrigated land, which this means that the technology can work in a favor of the population. But that this doesn't mean that it's 100% safe for the environment. Maybe you will think, but what does that mean? Well, this also have a negative impact and is also considered a global environmental harm. Well, according with some investigation I did by the book of the ODI 2016, here explained very well about what is happening when the chemicals and acceleration of production is a very negative and is a big strategy that can do a big damage in the air, in the soil, in the rivers, and also in the same time attempting against the life of all living beings. Because why? Because this is going to increase the pollution, it's going to increase the contamination. So here I have another question, and it's about how do I see the future of the planet? Well, according what we spoke, all the positive and negative effects, I think since many people start to speak about the global warm environment, I don't see any change. Here right now, I am giving you three examples of the problematic we are having right now in the planet. So I don't see any change in our planet because I keep seeing contamination, I keep seeing pollution, I keep seeing people that are not taking serious about the importance of taking care of our planet. But one thing I can do, and is to provide some strategies to mitigate the environmental damage. So here I have three examples. So the first one, we have to start to educating from the little ones. It's important to do it equally, home, school. Um, Also, we need to promote habits eco-friendly. Here is one example, and I think everyone know about this, and it's about to practice the three R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Is also very important in this strategy to teach the children that there is no plan B. This plan B only the rich people is, I think, is the imagination from the rich people, but there are no plan B. So we need to start to taking care about it. So how we have to is let's start to be responsible. Let's start to be responsible in the way how we are eating, in the way how we are buying, we are using, and also in the way how we are generated. One of the center of everything is to something that we need is we need to start to have environmental awareness. This is the most important thing. We cannot just stop and sit down waiting for the government to do something. No, we have to. as a community we have to start to do something, because we also are living here in this planet. We also are using the resource of the nature is given to us, so we need to start from us to do something for our planet. Okay, this is everything. This is what I would like to speak. I would like to speak to explain. Hope this topic could be successful, and please let's think about the future of our planet. Thank you very much.